Alright, so today I'm gonna be attaching the sideboards here in this bathroom. I painted the walls. I have the sideboard now. I'm gonna attach it. I'm using this liquid nail. I'm gonna place it in on the back and then attach it. I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Longer sideboard. I'm gonna do this one next. I'm just gonna put enough that it attaches to the wall. Now we're gonna attach this side. I'm gonna put a lot here. Now we're gonna install this side. Gonna match it up to the wall and slowly just put it in place.